14-11. Todd Bernard and Ronald Magtulis. Look at Todd Bernard. Alam mo, napapailing-iling lang si Ronald Magtulis.
Nandun na siya.
Lahat na eh. Halos para bang pinutakil na niya doon si Todd Bernard.
Kulang na lang, bigyan mo pa ng pangatlong kamay itong si Magtulis.
Para makatulong, ha?
Oo.
At nagawa pa rin pong ito si Todd Bernard. So take a look at that miss coming from Brian Gudo. Again, Alex Crisano. Offensive rebound, but that time wala na pong 2 points for Alex Crisano.
Alam mo, Mon, those things like that Alex Crisano does will become the X factor in this ball game.
Could be.
Obviously, the imports will cancel each other out with very high scoring.
Meanwhile, Jerome Ejeas ito. So far, hindi pa niya sinusubukan yung mga low post move niya. Tignan natin kung ito na yun against Paul David. There's a turnaround shot. Wala na naman. Humingi siya ng foul doon. Brian Griffin, what a pass! Paul David to Ronald Magtulis. Ito, exhibition time. Pero mukhang aga pa ito masyado kasama DJ.